What are you doing today? I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm headed home to my computer to sign up for Never Scared Mixed Doubles Tournament. That's happening on February 17th and 18th at Bolero Tamarack. Yeah, I know we got a little bit of time, but in 45 days, the tournament is gonna be here. Like actually here. Are you participating? Did you find your partner? You trying to win some money? I think it's like just gonna be great. It's gonna be an amazing tournament. Like, there's raffles. Hammer. Hammer is giving us 4 raffles for bowling balls. So you can pick any ball that you want, and you know they come out with a new ball every couple of months. Get your certificate, win your ball, throw a Hammer ball. Thank you, Hammer, for that one. The tournament's gonna be recorded. Livin Studios, they're gonna record the tournament so you can see later on what it's about because you don't wanna miss it. We have banner flyers, we have Sweets Travel Adventures, full-time digital, who's on our paperwork, our brackets, our alibi sheets, our score sheets, logical flow designs. Oh man, they're designing our staff shirts. They're looking kind of fire. And we have so many more sponsors. Never Scared Mixed Doubles Tournament, struck by Hammer, is happening in 45 days. February 17th and 18th, 2024 at Bolero Tamarack. 3 squads, 2 days, unlimited crossovers. So if you want to bowl with Sally, Jane, Sue, Amanda, you can. You just gotta get in with a partner first. Registration ends January 22nd. But that doesn't mean you have to register then. You can register a little bit later just for an additional charge. That'll go straight to the prize fund. Get your entries in now, find your partners, and come out for an amazing tournament. Never Scared Mixed Doubles Tournament, struck by Hammer. Pow. We ain't never scared.